For the first time since April, the Lexington Fayette County Health Department recorded no new cases of pertussis this week. The health department said the number of reported cases since April stayed steady at 32 this week, but it's still considering this an outbreak. It's still urging all Central Kentucky caregivers to be on the lookout for signs and symptoms of the highly contagious respiratory illness known as whooping cough, as well as ensure your kids are up to date on vaccines or fully vaccinated with a booster shot.